Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to unlink Roblox account from PlayStation, PS4 or PS5. Okay, first things first, unfortunately, directly unlinking your PlayStation account from Roblox is not possible through the console itself yet. So, what you want to do is to access the Roblox app on your mobile device or visit roblox.com via a web browser. Sign in using your Roblox account credentials, then locate the settings option within your Roblox account. This might be accessed through a small icon or menu usually in the top right corner. Within the settings, just find and click on the security section and look for the section that displays the connected accounts, including your PlayStation account. Just find the PlayStation account listed and select the option to disconnect or unlink it from your Roblox account. After confirming the disconnection, your PlayStation account will no longer be associated with your Roblox account. And as simple as it is, hopefully this answers your question. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now unlink Roblox account from PlayStation, PS4 or PS5. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.